Imagine what if an AI could write code super fast, fix errors, and provide the perfect solution. Well, this dream is now becoming a reality with DeepSeek AI, a Chinese AI model, entering the market. Let's get started. What is DeepSeek AI? First, to use it, open your browser, go to the search bar, and type DeepSeek. Then, click on the first website in the search results to open DeepSeek AI. In short, DeepSeek AI is a Chinese AI model with 3 versions released so far, version 2.5, V3, and R1. This AI model is cost-effective and well-trained. If you scroll down the website, you'll see comparisons of DeepSeek AI with other AI models, such as GPT-4o, GPT 3.5, and Llama. It also provides benchmark scores for different tasks, including English, coding, math, and Chinese language processing. Until now, I believed Claude 3.5 was the best for coding, but the results here tell a different story. DeepSeek AI has higher scores. Compared to Claude 3.5, it shows a 19-point difference. But a high score alone doesn't determine the best AI model. So, how can you use DeepSeek AI? After opening the website, click Start Now. Once you do that, the DeepSeek AI user dashboard will open. Here, you can enter any prompt, just like with GPT or other AI models. You can also enable DeepSeek AI's R1 model and ask any question. Let's create our application using DeepSeek AI. First, we'll start by creating a new project in Android Studio. Now, we have created a new Flutter project in Android Studio, and here is the project output on our virtual device. How to build the app now? We will create a habit tracking app using DeepSeek AI. To use DeepSeek AI, you don't need to visit the website. Go to the Settings, navigate to AI Settings, and under the General tab, you will find the Models option. Click here. And from this menu, you can enable or disable various AI models. Since we want to enable the DeepSeek AI model, you can activate both DeepSeek R1 and version 3 AI models for free. However, I recommend using DeepSeek R1 because it is significantly more powerful than the version 3 model. So, we will proceed with DeepSeek R1. The Flutter project from Android Studio has been successfully imported into Cursor AI. Next, we will press Ctrl+Shift and continue from here. You need to select DeepSeek R1. Now, we will type a prompt to create our habit tracking app. We are going to build a habit tracking app. So let's enter a prompt along with its details and feature functionalities. Now, we have typed our prompt. As soon as we click the Submit button, the code generation process will begin. The code is being generated rapidly. The code generation process is now complete. Here, we will click on Accept All. Next, let's sync the dependencies, and after that, we will check the output of our habit tracking app. Our dependencies have been successfully synced. Now, let's see the output. Switching back to Android Studio, we will perform a hot reload to apply the changes in our code. Now, you can see that our habit tracking app looks like this. DeepSeek AI has designed it with a great user interface. However, the app is not functional yet because we initially provided a prompt to design only the UI. Now, we will turn it into a fully functional mobile application by implementing all the necessary features. So, once again, we will return to Cursor AI Editor, enter a detailed prompt specifying the app's logic, and use DeepSeek AI to make our app fully functional. Now, let's enter a detailed prompt. I have entered the prompt, and as soon as we click the Submit button, the code generation process starts again. Our new code has been generated. Here, we will click on Accept All. Once again, we will sync the dependencies. After syncing the dependencies, we will return to Android Studio and, after performing a hot reload, run the app on our virtual emulator. Now, you can see that a fully functional habit tracking app has been created within minutes. If you build your app using DeepSeek AI, you will encounter fewer errors. And the AI generates code at an impressive speed. Compared to Claude 3.5, I found DeepSeek AI to be a better option.